Bay comes from stormwater. In fact, stormwater pollution is now the #1 water quality problem in the U.S. because we've managed to get a handle on the big polluters, on the low-hanging fruit, if you will. Stormwater quality is a problem all over the country that people are looking to try and solve. You can see here we have a little bit of a oil slick going down that storm drain. That's something that unfortunately you can see pretty much anywhere. We use pavement that is made out of petroleum products, that sort of thing. So it's not a big leap to see where we would have that kind of a problem. In Rhode Island, 22% of surface waters don't meet physical and swimmable standards. That's a big improvement from what we had 25 years ago, but we still have a long way to go. This is Green Pond here. You can see how the algae has really built up there. In recent years, up to 75% of the annual beach closures in Rhode Island were due to stormwater problems. Only 25% to combined sewer overflow. So we always think, well, every time we get that big rainstorm, it causes a big problem in Narragansett Bay, that sort of thing. Not really. That's not the biggest problem. The biggest problem is the stormwater. And so not only can we attack that problem right here at the facility, but in things that we do off-site in our daily routines, our daily jobs, that sort of thing. Does anybody here like to go, like to dig shellfish? Nobody? Nobody likes to dig clams? Wow. It's what you're saying. It's easier to just go to the market and get them? Yeah. I do it once or twice a year just as an excuse to get out with a couple of guys and, you know, drink non-alcoholic beverages, of course. All right. What is stormwater? Well, it's rain. We're going to have rain tomorrow. We're going to see examples of it. Rain falling on parking lots or any other impervious surfaces, even though all of your acreage here may not be paved over after many years of big trucks and equipment, it's pretty stamped down to the point where it would be considered an impervious surface. And it picks up anything we put on it. Oils, salt, fertilizers, chemicals that we use, de-ices, that sort of thing. Anything we put on the ground, anything we put on the pavement is going to end up in stormwater the next time it rains. One of the big problems with sand, and you think, well, what's the problem with sand? It's only, you know, it isn't a chemical, that sort of thing. But you get it on the bottom of ponds and streams and lakes, and your fish, it interrupts their breeding cycles, it covers up the eggs. You can really disrupt a lot of ecological cycles by covering the bottom with sand or any other type of sediment.